Hi guys, today we are going to look into the topic called concrete footing. This session will be explained with a real-time example. Concrete footing is of two types, pad and step footing. Let us begin with the pad footing. Now pause and refer the pad footing. Now we are going to load the profile based on the image shown. Name as footing and profile as 400 x 400, or you could load the profile from the drop-down menu. Load the material grade. Here it is N32. Specify the finish and class if any. The position is used to move the footing of the work handle. Top specifies the footing top point, and similarly the bottom is the bottom point. Fill in the details and click at the point where the footing is to be placed. Thus, the pad footing with the specified design is created, with the depth of 600 mm and with the width of 400 x 400. Now, let us draw the step footing. Let me turn on the reference model. Here there are two types of footing, SF1 and SF2. SF1 is 400 width and 600 deep, and SF2 is 600 width and 600 deep. Let us begin with SF2. Select the strip footing and load the values in the properties. 600 x 600 in profile. Select the start position and the end position. Click on the middlemost button to end the command. Now move the strip footing to match with the reference files. SF1 is 400 x 600 deep. Select the footing in concrete ribbon and change the profile to 400 width and 600 deep. Now click on the points where the strip footing must be applied. Click on middlemost button to end the command. Now in position, change it to left and click on modify to match with the reference file. That's it guys, we have drawn both pad and strip footing. Thank you and stay tuned for more videos.